Anyways, lapha engihamba khona maningi ama-quibi. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you guys are looking so cute. Only Mitchell. I know Mitchell, not large. But I like to go blue, bruh. Man City.
Yes, Man City, bro.
Joe, what Man City? Oh, it's just suicide into this trailer.
Getting
I forgot that. I got you again.
Yeah, I think
yes. So, what's your name, bro?
I'm TMP Rocky, bro.
TMP Rocky. Okay, so, okay. Hi, my sister.
Hello.
You look so good.
Thank you.
Yo, I did chase, bro. I did chase. After my sister, I will not that chase.
Oh my God.
I just like it. What's your name?
Ellen.
Yeah. Ellen. So, you guys are dating, eh?
Yeah, we are.
So, how long have you been guys dating?
We started today.
Today? Yeah? That's crazy. So, because Jana with I'm shocked. So, she don't tell them I was a pillar namusa. So, how long have you been guys dating though? Sorry.
Yeah.
Wow. So, I'm kids like this is the guy that I wanna date.
Chill it about. The man.
So, in it for the man. Ngizwa support imesity chengabe the man. Akuyenzi shit. But uda imali.
Hayi yena nguyokwaziyo mina yami easy ngesikole ngiyakuthenga ama textbook lana.
Oh, you schooling? Where's your school?
Mina Concepts Learning Academy.
Yeah, this is fancy school. Some of the guys in school ezaziyo ngonjuve. Umpopoma. Like those are the schools that I know, but I didn't go to a college school. So, do you school too?
Yeah.
Which school?
Concepts.
Oh, same school. Oh, yeah, it makes sense. So, we're going to change phones for 60 seconds. So, anyways, do you trust it? Since the kind of with it's fine, but do you trust it though?
I do.
You trust it?
Yeah.
Some kid, she's so cute though. But do you trust it?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yo,
gee. But she removed out. So, we're going to change phones for 60 seconds. So, can I have your phone, my guy? iPhone, bruh.
Yeah.
Oh, blind. And can I have your phone too?
Doesn't need to pass it, so.
Does never pass it. My iPhone don't get my dad. Akpul. Mina kube understand Android. You can't all use my iPhone, yabo.
Ngamnike yami yona ngasala le inya ukho.
La manga. Is it true?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's true. Bra, yes, bra. Kabanga nje umthengile ifoni qeda ukufela. It's like that, yeah, bra. Yeah. This one is loyal, bra. She's so cute. So ngaba.
Asiqale ngiyami.
Yeah, bra, you confident?
Mina
bra. Yes, gents are so loyal those days. Man, actually, if I part with yes, yami mahwibi. Ibambeli. Yes, ubambeli. So ngicela ngene WhatsApp and search for sex.
For what?
Sex nudes. I love you. I'm outside. Yeah. Yabo. So bra uhla.
Mina hlala emganwini. Yes.
So kanje ufuna ngapi?
Concepts.
Wajamba zonke isikole zekazi. But nedilesa bhabha xa.
Hayi mina nje ngwekahle.
Yes, bra. But I was smart, bra. So emganwini ngakwakhona. Emganwini I'm not familiar with the place though.
Akuthasha sile yokugcila khona amasila le.
Oh, okay. I can't nje. Le face style.
Yami ngiyajonja nokuthi ama-phone sathola njani.
Qinisile.
Umsebenzi wangikhona ndoda.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's clean.
There's nothing as clean, bra. So, bra, uqala wasingle, wasuthola new girl. Lenza njalo. Yamangalisa nje. Nasibona, ngene mami yethe. What's your name? Ellen.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's going to wait, huh? Bra. I get you such a get my photos. Mbando your fresh to Ellen.
Lo. Along cousin
cousin. Cousin fresh. Fresh njani? I see. I can see that. Check cousin nakho fresh nje. Uvula i-chat like isibo.
No nje cousin thina ngikhaya sibahle.
So yeah, cousin yabathemba. There's nothing as cousin, huh?
Mina kulalutho.
Amahwipi.
Cousin asikhulumi.
Yes sir.
Lo cousin yabona i-chat asikhulumi.
Ngiyabuya. Yeah.
Lo cousin asikhulumi.
Oh yeah, just hi, hey, bye. Bese ngiyi profile picture. Yeah. It's all right. So, pal. I'll get to you. I said, so go away, this light skin girls, but you never trust them. With other person. Bye. Shit, this is our phone password to say. Wait, I'm a trust you. Just search for sex nudes on my side. So, where you stay?
What?
Clara. Patronist. Oh, bese mina ngihlale.
No bush nje.
Shit. Bush.
Mba no bush nje.
Fuck. Asimseve ngobush.
Le bush ibizo le drug into.
Aya.
Awukwazi bush isikange sele bush esibhekile.
Oh, mina bese ngikhatshana nje nethi kashe nje.
Mba no bush nje hayi.
Bush nje. Sibone nje ukhuluma ngalo bush. It's your friend?
Yeah, it's my friend.
Oh, usubush nje.
Usicela ama-viewers ndoda. Hayi, ama-viewers lo ngawo.
My viewers. Jewise approve nje. Debe khulekela la.
No, V1 is their projects, you know.
My project nje, my project chana nje, no ungekho nje.
Project ku
So ngibe mangala nje ungathola gelo omuhle so esinghi. Bra, just for my cheater nje, manu push nje. Eso push yedwa.
Ubona ubani omunye?
There's Ishmael, bra.
Mbani Ishmael, hayi mbani Ishmael nje.
What?
Mbani Ishmael, chasisa mbani Ishmael.
My friend, like it's a girl I served as.
Likhuluma nge-sex lenkazana. Ukhuluma nge-sex.
Check up umsendela nje Ishmael nje.
Lamanuzi nje lenkazana nje.
What the fuck, bra. Ngiyamthanda what?
Oba. Yeah, ngiyamthanda.
Awuso uba.
Wait.
Oh, uba.
Wait.
Bra, ngikukhuluma phansi bra, sidi lapha.
Hayi,
asidi bra. But wena emavarina. Vila abonti nje namhla ehamba lapho sinki nje. So khetha ufuna lo bush. Abaro bush. Bush nje ngecha. Ususe bush.
Nickname, yes. Yes, yeah.
All right. So, bra. Uzamenza.
Chimna wazi nje. Ungcono phele karesi nje.
Qale namuhla nje. Uphele namuhla.
Wena.
Sayo.
Hayi usenzani ngaye?
Bra.
Usenzani?
Ngimchiye nje.
Ngimzweli.
Asama msedi nje. Just let it go, bra. Just let it go to the street. Yeah, obvious, but after the video. I see. I know you. I don't want you.
You are joking, right?
I'm just joking. So, what's that? I was. But it's over. So, I don't know what you're going to do. Anyways. People play, keep cheating again.
Maningi amahwibi ngapha kukhala amahwibi izinkalakatha uphetha amahwibi kuduma umbane kuduma amahwibi kudose ngempama kudose ngehwibi lapha ehamba khona